You've heard it everywhere. AI this, AI that, like it's some big mystery. But what actually is artificial intelligence? Is what you're looking at right now artificial intelligence? And more importantly, how does it touch your life today? Is it a good or bad thing? Stick around, because in just a few minutes, you'll understand AI better and how we got to this point of its evolution. No tech speak, just simple answers you can actually use. Hi, and welcome to Simply AI Explained. My name is AI Amy, and if you're new here, this is the place where we break down AI and tech topics in everyday language. Today's topic, artificial intelligence. No coding background? No problem. By the end, you'll know exactly what AI is, how it works, and where you're already using it without realizing. Let's dive in. So, what is AI? In the simplest words, artificial intelligence, or AI, is when computers are designed to do tasks that normally need human thinking, like recognizing faces, understanding language, or making decisions. Imagine a brain made out of code. That's basically it. Think about Siri answering your questions, or Netflix suggesting what to watch next. Those are examples of AI helping you in daily life. Let's take a quick look back. In the 1950s, a scientist named Alan Turing asked, "Can machines think?" That question started it all. In 1997, a computer named Deep Blue beat the world chess champion. That was a huge moment. And today? This signals a shift to the present time. It's talking about what technology can do right now. We have ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Microsoft Copilot, Claude, and many more. These are examples of modern artificial intelligence, AI tools and assistants. ChatGPT, by OpenAI, an AI that can chat, answer questions, and generate text. Google Gemini, Google's advanced AI, similar to Bard, but newer and more powerful. Microsoft Copilot, AI tools built into Microsoft products to help you write, summarize, and create content. Claude, another AI chatbot created by Anthropic. There are even more tools beyond these which will be discussed in a later video. These AIs can write creative stories, articles, or text just like a human writer. Many now will convert images into or even text into video. AI has grown from science fiction to something we interact with every single day. There are a few different types of AI, and it helps to know them. First, narrow AI. This type is designed for one task like Spotify recommending songs. It's good at one thing and one thing only. Next, general AI. This is an advanced idea, a machine that can learn and do many tasks like a human. But right now, this only exists in movies. Finally, super AI. This would be even smarter than humans. Sounds scary? Good news, it doesn't exist yet, and may never. For now, almost all AI around us is narrow AI. Okay, but how does AI actually work? It all starts with something called machine learning. Instead of being programmed step by step like a recipe, AI learns from examples, kind of like how a child learns. Imagine showing a kid thousands of pictures of cats and dogs. Over time, they start to recognize the differences on their own. That's exactly what AI does. It studies huge amounts of data, called training data, and learns to spot patterns. Deep inside, AI uses special systems called neural networks, which act like tiny artificial brains to help it understand and recognize those patterns. So, when an AI tells you whether a photo shows a cat or a dog, it's really making a smart guess based on everything it learned from all those past examples. Believe it or not, you use AI every single day. Most people think AI is something futuristic or only for scientists, but it's actually everywhere around us, quietly working behind the scenes. When you say, "Hey Google" or "Hey Siri," that's AI. Voice assistants like Google Assistant, Siri, and Alexa use AI to understand your speech, called speech recognition, and figure out what you want, called natural language processing. For example, when you say, "What's the weather today?" AI interprets those words and fetches the right information. When YouTube suggests the next video or when Netflix queues up a new show, that's AI at work. These platforms use recommendation algorithms, a form of AI that studies what you've watched or liked in the past and predicts what you might enjoy next. That's why you often find yourself watching more videos than you planned. The AI is designed to keep you engaged. Your GPS that finds the fastest route home? Yep, AI. Navigation apps, like Google Maps or Waze, use AI to analyze traffic data in real time, predict congestion, and suggest alternative routes so you get home faster. They combine data from other drivers, traffic reports, and historical patterns to make these smart choices. Our phone's autocorrect, your spam email filter, even your camera's face detection, all thanks to AI. Autocorrect. AI predicts what word you meant to type and fixes typos by analyzing common language patterns. Spam filters. AI scans emails to detect suspicious patterns or phrases common in spam and moves them out of your inbox. Face detection. Your camera uses AI to recognize faces so it can focus better, adjust lighting, or even unlock your phone with Face ID. In short, AI is woven into our lives more than we realize, making things faster, easier, and sometimes a lot more fun. AI has become an invisible helper in daily life, doing small tasks that save us time, help us avoid mistakes, and even entertain us, all without us thinking twice about it. In even simpler words, AI is like an invisible assistant that helps us every day, whether we're talking to our phones, watching shows, driving, typing, or taking photos. It's always working in the background to make life smoother and more convenient. Let's clear up some myths. Myth 1. AI is conscious and thinks like humans. Nope, AI doesn't feel or think. It just processes data and follows patterns. Myth 2. AI will take all our jobs. It's true that AI will take away some jobs, especially repetitive or routine tasks. However, it will also change the nature of many jobs and create new roles we haven't even imagined yet. Humans will still be essential, especially for tasks that need creativity, empathy, strategic thinking, and complex problem-solving. While some jobs will disappear, many new opportunities will emerge for those willing to adapt and learn new skills. Myth 3. AI is perfect and neutral. Actually, AI can be biased because it learns from human data. If the data is unfair, AI can be too. The truth is, AI is a tool, powerful, but not magic. It needs humans to guide and improve it. So, should you be scared or excited? Honestly, a little bit of both, but mostly excited. AI is opening doors in medicine. AI helps doctors diagnose faster and more accurately. AI systems can analyze medical images, like X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans, and spot problems, such as tumors or fractures, even earlier than the human eye sometimes can. This means faster treatment and better chances for recovery. AI is making art more accessible by allowing anyone, even without traditional skills, to create stunning images, music, and designs with just a few clicks. It's also helping us drive safer through advanced features like automatic braking, lane assistance, and even self-driving technology that reduce human error and prevent accidents. On top of that, AI makes daily tasks easier by powering voice assistants, organizing our schedules, suggesting the fastest routes, and managing smart home devices, all of which save us time and make life more convenient. At the same time, we need to watch out for issues like privacy, fairness, and accuracy. But here's the best part. By learning about AI, you become part of the conversation. You're more prepared to use it wisely and even shape its future.
You did it! You now understand what AI really is. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more simple, jargon-free tech explainers. Coming up next, best free AI tools you're not using yet. You won't want to miss it. Until then, this is AI Amy from Simply AI Explained, telling you to stay curious, stay creative, and keep exploring AI.